What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is Delta Metric Fabricators, and please consider subscribing if you continue with this video. Now for our video today tutakuwa godame to brace because leo tumepata site and I'm going to take you to the site. I hope you can see it. Tutawapeleka kwa site. This is the door we are supposed to make, the window. Guys, naona hata ukiangalia hapa kuna vitu zinatengenezwa hapa na mafundi. So guys, it's the job that tutakuwa tukifanya, and I'm going to take you to the whole process of this building. So we are going to take the house tour, kama haina madirisha, kama haijamalizika. Kwa hivyo guys, I hope unaona. God, I'm to bless manze. This is a blessing. And guys, thank you for the 20 subscribers. Thank you for the 20 subscribers. This is the building. I hope unaiona. Thank you for your subscription. So don't miss this process. Don't miss this process.